Yeah, man, as you don't know, it's Rasta Meek, righteousness seek. Hail from the parish of St. Elizabeth, straight up. Yeah, man, I don't know, representing for Wonder Music, straight up. So I have a new single out named Oh My, as most people don't know Rasta Meek for. So I get a little piece of it. Holy, yeah. Too many people are dying, and too many loved ones left crying out. Oh gosh, no. Too many children are dying. And too many long guns are barking out there. And so many lies, my people, have been gone down the drain. Don't you realize this kind of living is insane? Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Why so many people have been shot dead in just a few days? Oh well now. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Guess what? And so many children have been murdered. Some are missing without a trace. Oh gosh, why can't we all just live as one people? I wanna know why. Why can't we let peace and love abide? Oh well now. Why all this hatred and jealousy? I wanna know, I just wanna know. Why all this violence and wicked man song? Why all these wars, all this destruction, and the shedding of each other's blood? Brothers are becoming an endangered species. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
No, no say another word. No, me say it, me make him play it. Yeah, cause cultural. You have to take look at the mess in your blood. You have to feel it. You don't know every time I can be the rare and the tete. Saying, no, Wonder's family, you know me love it, you know. If a people them keep a stage show right now, them can't say one something alone in my ear. A variety of things them I get from you right now. So wait, alright. Suppose the people them the home and to all the vibes on the sound and thing and them say boy, them want a number for link you know. For say alright, I can book on for your show, I can sound full, I can sound have. Alright, see it? Call the number. Yeah, book them for the things them. Yeah. See, even if them not book feet, them will look feet because them want bus. And watch how the member watch me show and also the video them and be a thing that remember sent me where them hail from, but don't go one come from St. Elizabeth, I know. Right? Alright, cool. Wonder's music. Not say not the people. Wonder music, we not hear enough about them. Remember me telling you the whole of them. So watch out people. Don't know me do me thing though. We are drop back in the countdown. Boom!
Forever Young, the ambience, the setup, people. Come and take a look. Come and book your event at the place to be. Hey, the music video them did nice, don't? Yes, man. But we have some hot song come up now at the number 15 spot. Teflon Pedal. At the number 14 we have Alkaline. Broke out. You have to broke out every now and again. You don't know it, girls. Broke out for the man them Ray. And of course, at the number 13 spot, we have Maka Diamond. Touchy. Maka, you Rudy. I like it. At number 12 is RDX Ride. Yes. And at number 11 is the Marco. No lazy body. No, me can't sing, but the man want a lazy body. Here what? Pre this.
Yo, G, what the pre? The girl them love the brown stone, yeah. Hey, you know soft like cushion. Girl do the muscle wine and brace your body.
People, you don't know, you know, DJ Snow there. And him got a response for the after work jam every Friday, people. You don't know, so them tell you already, food and the house. Only thing you have to do is buy a liquor and come enjoy yourself. I know, so DJ Snow, I imperial town every Sunday, and the man pay everything, any session. Right, so DJ Snow, you have to tell the fans them.
Yeah, the soup are there free too, you know. Remember the soup too, you know.
Yeah.
So Blacker, you don't know, so the thing turn up right there, so. It's all about Forever Young. I want to say Forever Young too, you know. I mean the the big people them come out and feel young in themselves because
Right.
we say we age freeze, you know.
All
we
right.
age freeze at 40, we now get older than that because we're arty.
Alright. See, on paper, remember, you know, me say, as DJ Snow, I go mash up the after work party them every Friday, and I don't know. And guess what? I him create history. If him a play a song, and when you look on the screen, you see the video, nobody else now that in Jamaica. If you don't feel alive, me I tell. Listen to the song we are playing. Turn it up, Steve. 48 West Street. So Snow, what you say?
And we say every song is a video, every video is a song, you know. Whole night. And some artists want to never see before. Just come here and you see them because I like Blacker, you know, from where I do our thing from long time.
Yeah, man.
We do it with principle and we do it with
All
respect.
right,
So the thing turn up loud and know it buck. I see you see them now and I just hear them.
Alright, you see me I tell the people. So remember, you know, starting Tuesday, the 11th of March, is the ladies' night. Ladies come out, come enjoy yourself, and the selector them are there to play for the ladies them. And remember, say, on the 20th of March, that's the next week Thursday, the dancehall night is going to start. And it's every other Tuesday and every other Thursday. But every Friday is after work jam. Saturday in a month is karaoke. And Sunday night it's all it's right through with Muta, and you don't know all of the man them a come juggle. You don't know everybody a come play upon the Sunday and make you feel good and enjoy yourself. So people, Snow telling you, me telling you, Bright Eye telling you, the whole of people them are telling you, a downtown I do it, a this side there. Boom! No sir, some star. No, you go out to some star.
No, sir, it turn out forever young. Nice!
No people, me telling about Forever Young, you know. Sports and bar, you know, 48 West Street upstairs. Me I tell some people them are gonna have beer event when we go to commercial break and come back. Me I tell about the event them I keep because remember say March 11th at the big one, ladies night I go kick off up here. People in the downtown, on the round town and everywhere. Tell the whole place say downtown I'll carry the swing now. It's all about Forever Sports and bar. Hey, Link Steve, you gotta turn it up. We are going to a commercial break and we soon come back.
Right back.
Mad.
Absolute Distributors. We stock parts for most brands, from Whirlpool to Black Point, Frigidaire, Marby, just to name a few. Parts are available for each above mentioned washing machines, stoves, refrigerators, auto air condition, pressure cooker parts, and blender parts. Our locations are Shop 24 St. Andrews Plaza, Red Hills Road, Shop 7 Upney Plaza, May Pen, and Shop number 9 Big Buy Plaza, Portmore. Absolute Distributors. We let it work. We deliver happiness.
Bargain International Hardware.
We have things for construction, sand, gravel, steel, cement. We have paints. We have paintbrush, roller sets, zinc nail, lumber, zinc, doors.
Let me say you can't get anything for the house where I leak. You know the toilet get problem regular. You do the thing there. Bargain International Hardware.
Today, I would like to introduce you to Palms Pharmacy. Palms Pharmacy is located at 58 Young Street inside Spanish Town. Here at Palms Pharmacy, there's quite a wide cross-section of cosmetic products. Here's scalp conditioner, Dunsheen Carson products, acne treatment, there's Scrabble, greeting cards. Palms Pharmacy is also a Bill Express agent, free blood pressure checks, and also does delivery.
Blacker Top 20 countdown. Tune in. Don't change the dial. Boom. Active presenting. Links TV. See.
I can tell you big things about Torpedo. Torpedo to the world. Torpedo done great things to me. They make my business big up each time I go to them.
Torpedo, help me get my car.
Everyone can benefit from Torpedo Small Loan.
Torpedo for loan for everybody.
Just have 4 reference, TRN, ID, get some picture, everything. Just call them people. Just see the number though.
Thank you, Jesus. Yes. Yes.
It helped me to improve my business, and I am inviting everyone to Torpedo Small Business Loan.
Welcome back from the commercial break. On air with Honesty in the building, flying from Belgium, fresh and come right at Blacker Top 20 Video Countdown Show. How you feel, babe?
I feel great, honestly.
Yeah.
Well, I love to have you here. I'm happy that you're here because your video is climbing down the countdown. Everybody love it. It's blowing up all over the world. Every countdown you see it on every countdown, and I love that and respect that. How you feel about your first? Is it? I don't know if it's your first project, but how you feel about this project?
This was my first single ever. You know, I did a lot of street albums and so on, but this is the first single, so I'm really, really happy that people in Jamaica pick it up because it is reggae, but it's still a little honesty music. You know,
Yeah.
it kind of, you know, trying my own vibes and my own, yeah.
I'm gonna tell you something. Jamaica people, they loved. So when you sing a song, like singing a song about your child, and trust me, you have my house singing it. I'm telling you. No, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And then when I look on all the other countdown, them it's all over the place. Everybody say, yo, she do the thing shot it nice, and one thing you can sing.
Thanks. Yeah.
Yeah, really, you don't sound like a person that's a try to sing. You can sing, and that's the greatest thing. So how you feel now on what forward? What you going with forward? What you feel about yourself right now?
Well, I am recording my album, so I really hope that not just this song, but all of my songs get some airplay, and not because just to get airplay or to get famous, but to spread a message, you know. It's always going to be positive. It's always going to be something that people can relate to. And I think we need that. So I really hope that more people listen to it, more people feel good about it, and then we get a better place. That's just the one thing that I can do being an artist is just spread messages.
Wow, and I was watching all your performance all over the world, and everywhere pack you have performance like you can perform. That's good.
I can. I started actually performing and then recording. Yeah. So I was like, I written my songs, I find a band, and the first time we just did a show, the one came, the second came, the third, everybody wanted a show. And then I just pulled back a little, and now I'm building my album. It's almost done. I think one track still left to record, and then we're good to release it.
So like summer.
Well, I don't know if summer is the best time, but around this year, yeah.
Okay. Do you ever scare like you say, boy, because I'm not a Jamaican, they may not accept me, but they accept you. So, where you have a little fear at first?
Well, definitely. Jamaica is still a country that's far away from Europe. So, and when you see artists, they come up here. So you never know when you go up there, how it's going to be received. And but from I get to know Jamaican people, it's like everything that has a good sound, a good message, and brings a vibe is welcome. So I really feel welcome. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. And right now you're in Jamaica. So away from being on Blacker Top 20 Countdown, what are the other things you have planned while you're here?
Yeah, we're gonna do some radio interviews, some TV interviews, and
the thing is too, up here, Forever Young Sports and Bar. They're gonna have a weekly event on Friday, and they're gonna have live bands. So don't worry. You come here. You may just buck up and see she work the stage.
Yes, definitely. If I see a band and if I'm welcome, I'm there. So.
How you view this place? Like surround. How you view this place?
This place? Yeah, I feel the vibe, and I brought my daughter, and she's all over this place. She's loving it, and we're drinking some soup, having a good time. We had some good talks already, so I'm really feeling it. Yeah. Okay,
so I'm gonna move away from the camera, but she's gonna give you some little acapella things for the fans them out there to hear how you sound, and just don't know that it's not just the one video I wanna say everybody are play. She have enough things in her for store. So Honesty, take it away.
It's not good enough for me. I know what I want, there's somewhere that I should be. It's not good enough for me. I know that the best is yet to come. I'm not afraid of the dirty work, and my hands, they're stronger now. Step by step I try to build a house somehow. I work hard all day, and I can work harder, as long as I know that's somewhere I'm going. It's not good enough for me. I know, but I'm the somewhere that I should be. It's not good enough, good enough, good enough for me. I know, links the best is yet to come.
Alright, definitely. You see it? So me tell you, it's not like she's trying to be a singer. She can sing, and that's the greatest thing.
Yeah.
Oh, and I like people, she's so nice and happy and smiling. Wow. Thank you to come to Jamaica, and thank you for loving Jamaica.
Yeah, thank you, Blacker.
Alright, so people, when I don't know, keep on voting for the video because it's all about she's here. So you want to big up your fans them and say and give them some internet link where them can lock it in on the networks.
Of course, definitely. That's what we do, no? Everybody, if you want to check what's going on with Honesty, you can Google or just go to www.honestymusic.com or follow www.ajangmusic.com or follow me on Facebook, Twitter, anywhere, and just press Honesty Music. That's all.
See it? Honesty Music, and that's great. Alright, the cute, pretty hot Sunstorm is going to take you back in the countdown. So you don't know the show, man. Honesty, she too sweet. Boom, my God.
With the back, we are here. We at Forever Young Sports Bar where the vibes is nice, the setting is nice, everything just nice. So we're going straight back in the countdown. And at number 10, the one and only Elephant Man with Twerk. And at number 9, Kiprich, she want touch, number 9. And at number 8, we're looking at Benji and Laden, Google bad mind. You know what them bad mind people there? Google bad mind, real thing. At the number 7 spot is Leighton Miller with Queen of the Road. And holding down the number 6 spot firm is the one and only Crescenti. Freedom Video here. We'll be right back.
My legend. Yeah, now I was made with the heart of a champion. Never underestimate just choosing. I was born with the heart of a champion. Never underestimate just strength. The silver line behind the dark clouds. Yeah, yes I believe it, and that's no doubt. Yeah, take it mine with a smile. Yeah. As firm as any real man should, yeah. I need no favors, no. Girl, you are the one, only baby. Girl, you are the one. Your body hot, so you want a sturdy man. Back it up, feed it on the journey long. Your body right in me, your body right in me. Oh, you're right in me, I love it, me love it. You are my wife, you step it up now. Oh, yeah. Take your time with the body down, and not at 6:30 because your body down. Sit down with this, sit down with this, sit down with the jockey. Sit down with this, sit down with this, sit down with the jockey. Everybody gonna be on the dance, everybody gonna be signing up. Sit down with this, sit down with this, sit down with the jockey. Sit down with this, sit down with the jockey. Back it up with the trick, Martha. Sexy love that trick from the start. Why not that it like rhythm from the start? Pretty body, mommy, pose double six stamina. Bubble up the bubble quick for me now. Squeeze up the body, muscle quick for me now. Your body pretty like a Hispanic girl. Do this for me now, go twist for the ball. Take your time with the body down, and another 6:30 because your body down. Sit down with this, sit down with this, sit down with the jockey. Sit down with this, sit down with this, sit down with the jockey. Everybody gonna be one for dance, yo. Everybody gonna sign it up. Sit down with this, sit down with this, sit down with the jockey. Sit down with this.
No people, that's me I telling you, no shawty go hard. Me telling you about Forever Young Sports and Bar people. When you come up at them places, and them thing you want to say, and the maddest thing all on a Friday, when all some girls are take the stage and competition, and who bother, shawty ready for take on anybody. People downtown, 48 West Street, remember Forever Young Sports and Bar are the big place for there. And that's how I carry the swing. I remember me telling you again, the 11th of March is the first big event, ladies night free, and you see them thing. So where's the shawty? Where's the ad?
Boy, Blacker, you don't say it all, you know, but hear me and say people who watch them premiere video and stop watch me straight.
Boom! Go watch them.
So you practice proper hygiene. Me would hug you 100 times for the day. Cause your breath ever fresh and your arm never green. Wind your waist and stop. Bend your back, tick tock. Go down low and cut. Speed it up like you're running from the cops. Wind your waist and stop. Bend your back, tick tock. Go down low and cut. Catch me, girl. Speed it up like you're running from the cops.
Anyway, let's jump right into the show videos. Alright, we have Blacker and Champion with one called Take a Girl Man Respect. So if you take a girl man and respect, just listen to the tune here. And then we have Blacker again, this time around with Miss Rose with one call and a so it go. Then we have the youth when you Alkaline.
Champion, Raga Shanti book of rules. So when a girl a take a girl man, she must take with respect. Champion.
Absolute Distributors. We stock parts for most brands, from Whirlpool to Black Point, Frigidaire, Marby, just to name a few. Parts are available for each above mentioned washing machines, stoves, refrigerators, auto air condition, pressure cooker parts, and blender parts. Our locations are Shop 24 St. Andrews Plaza, Red Hills Road, Shop 7 Upney Plaza, May Pen, and Shop number 9 Big Buy Plaza, Portmore. Absolute Distributors. We let it work. We deliver happiness.
Bargain International Hardware.
We have things for construction, sand, gravel, steel, cement. We have paints. We have paintbrush, roller sets, zinc nail, lumber, zinc, doors.
Let me say you can't get anything for the house where I leak. You know the toilet get problem regular. You do the thing there. Bargain International Hardware.
Hey, you forgot hard if you want to make it to Blacker Top 20 Countdown. I home to them at Tiana, you know.
Today, I would like to introduce you to Palms Pharmacy. Palms Pharmacy is located at 58 Young Street inside Spanish Town. Here at Palms Pharmacy, there's quite a wide cross-section of cosmetic products. Here's scalp conditioner, Dunsheen Carson products, acne treatment, there's Scrabble, greeting cards. Palms Pharmacy is also a Bill Express agent, free blood pressure checks, and also does delivery.
I can tell you big things about Torpedo. Torpedo to the world. Torpedo done great things to me. They make my business big up each time I go to them.
Torpedo help me get my car.
Everyone can benefit from Torpedo small loan.
Torpedo for loan for everybody.
Just have 4 reference, TRN, ID, get some picture, everything. Just call them people. Just the number though.
Thank you, Jesus. Yes. Yes.
It helped me to improve my business, and I am inviting everyone to Torpedo Small Business Loan.
No people, you don't know me come back from the commercial break. Mellow consider the building. Now the girl them don't want to say, I wouldn't know you the Blacker interview. No, and then start call all them friends and say Blacker interview and knew you. Meloquence, welcome to Blacker Top 20 Count.
There you know, big up yourself in the Blacker.
Some more know now what you come to bring in the business right now. What you say to yourself. Because you know when you come up as a DJ, you say, I'm going in the business now. Watch me and then. Alright, tell them the difference you're going to bring in the business.
A whole heap of things because here we go on. Meloquence, the lyrics them are some different type of lyrics, some different concepts, some melodies are out of this world. So just that.
Alright, I'm going to show you some people on the day home, because you know I do my thing. In you, so we not been a long talking, you know what I say, oh, body miss, no! Alright, me will come out of the shot and just DJ some song about, just give them some boop, bop, and mad them home right now. Take it away.
When we step through, stars are us, you're not fi guess who. First time rolling with a star, baby. So this is your debut. Welcome to the star life. Me no rich, but my alright. A girl like you, fi roll with a star like me. You want to son of one like you know one piece of the star hype. A girl like you feel roll with a star like me, baby. You see from me, you are roll with money in a this year fully loaded. But in case you a try fi gold dig, me just a make you know say it fully coded. Yeah, me tell you as it is and no disrespect. No feel no way me say I said the business set. You want a star fi roll with? Yo, I'm eloquence. Wherever we are, you recognize we from far. Cause from your sea, you know we are stars. And we no flex regular, we party and buy out the bar. From your sea, you know we are stars. As we step in at the party, the bar me rich. Girls, they are no from the...
No, sir. No, your style. Let me tell you this. Unique. Hey. Me not tell lie, them say Blacker hype, but no sir, him hyper, no, the man is full of swag and beat things, and the man some float, no, him bossy, but him a right for bossy, cause him can't sing, you have it locked. So hold on, tell my listeners then, which school you used to attend?
Charlie Mount High School, Linstead, St. Catherine. Linstead, big up yourself, everybody. St. Catherine is my place, I don't know that. Big up the whole of Jamaica, because whole Jamaica tune into links right now, don't? Yeah. So big up the whole of Jamaica, big up Linstead a while ago, big up Kingston. Everybody, big up on yourself.
So, what the fans must know right now, expect from you right now?
Alright, the Starisma song I sing a while ago, because Starisma is a new word. Put that in the dictionary. Starisma, you don't know, charismatic, and we'll put a little star thing to it. So, just rename the word and call it Starisma. So, when you see the word, I'm eloquent, so hear it first, right? So, Starisma. Apart from that, we have the video for that. Just the video we're going to premiere tonight. Yeah, Star Life. You don't know, we have a song, we do a video, a song with Elephant Man last week. Do the video and everything, collab, mad sitting like around the world.
People.
Female them.
No, sir. You know, man say, him a Ellie. So, you know, me get all the video there and premiere it, play shot down. So, may I give you the opportunity right now, Meloquence and Blacker Top 20 Video Countdown Show to premiere your video.
Yeah, me I say as real as it gets. I don't know some eloquence there. And right about now we're going to premiere the big bad video Starisma Star Life produced by Frost Twins. You don't know. Big bad video. Blacker, big up yourself. All of the female them are phone sang this. Star Life. Big up on yourself. Watch out.
Hey, Frost Twins. The girls them say me full of starisma. That simply means say me starismatic. Meloquence been a change gears. I when the car is matic. Went to son of one like you know one piece of the star hype. A girl like you feel roll with a star like me. We draw attention when we step through. Stars are us, you not guess who. Your first time rolling with a star, baby. So this is your debut. Welcome to the star life. Me not rich, but my alright. Yeah. A girl like you feel roll with a star like me. You want to son of one like you know one piece of the star hype.
No, sir. The video there. No, the people them are gonna like it. It mad. So, where are you shoot the video there?
We shoot the video there. Which part again? We use South Beach Club. We use various locations in Kingston, in and around Kingston. You understand? Shot by Guru Films and Tiara. Yeah, in our Jeans Films.
Alright, now say I heard the video clean and everything. What more you do now? More you give the fans them some network where them can call and get you. If them can get you a number, like if them want, if them want book a show for you, because the people them now around, you can give them a booking agent number and give them a network where them can log on to you.
Alright, lock the number here. 817-5209. Frost Twins, you don't know. frosttwinsmusic@gmail.com. I can link me at Meloquence, MELLOQUENCE. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, the whole works. Because we control social media. Yeah, just like that.
No, sir, him bad. I love the interview, him shot. Anyway, people, when I hear enough about Meloquence, remember me tell you now, Meloquence, remember the name. Vote for the video, Madsen. Right now, the sexy hot Sunstorm. Take it back in the countdown. Boom, mad.
We are back, we are back, we are back. We are still at Forever Young Sports Bar 48 West Street, downtown. And guess what? I never did know so up here so they boat. Because I was, down in the lobby area, down in the bar area, and I was quite happy and I was quite contented. And then them said to me, hello, you check out upstairs? Upstairs look good. There is the view, the cool breeze, the setting, the ambience, shot. People Forever Young Sports Bar is the place to chill, is the place to have your events. Now back to the countdown. At number 5, we have Honesty, you go girl. At number 4, we have The Meds, The Road. And at number 3, we have Mr. G with How Low. Number 2, we have the one and only world boss, Cartel with High. Yes, I'm still a hold it no matter where I'm there. I'm still a hold the chart them. That's all I'm gonna say. And then we're going to come back with the number 1. Can you guess? Can you guess? Can anyone guess who it is? Stick around for the number 1. Be right back.
Give me a word, give me a sign. For as long as time is mine, I'll be here.
Poverty, taxes, be a little youth have fun and wave. Make a white girl say you wanna shoot out man. Everybody's skull at temperature. Bus fear no, but it's still too. Me light cut off the bill too. So me tread in the hills, that journey. Make a stop in a Mount Alvernia. Make sure your exam marks them.
Right now, people, we are at Forever Young Sports and Bar, 48 West Street upstairs. Forever Young, the place that we'll be telling you about in the heart of downtown Kingston, which we're going to have the events them every other Tuesday, every other Thursday, but every Friday it's after work jam. In a month and a Saturday it's karaoke, but every Sunday it's all it's. Now I'm here with the lovely Miss Chin. So you know, sir, is the boss wife, so she's gonna give you a little insight of why you must come to Forever Young Sports and Bar upstairs for the weekly events.
Hi, my name is Joy, and we would really like you to come down and enjoy all the nice games and things we have here for you. Coming soon, we'll be doing a lot of events that will be coming with prizes and surprises. And so we ask that you come down, have fun with us, enjoy the ambience. We also offer a daily kitchen where we do breakfast and lunch, and we run a full catering service. So we would like you to come down and enjoy, especially at nights.
Okay, you see, to tell you now, may I tell the people, it's so beautiful, it's so nice, it's here for you know, on the ear she tell you know, playing. So look out for the events then, as she say. Ready come, the place is nice, the food every day you can come here and get a hot meal, breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's right here, 48 West Street, Forever Young. Nice to have the lovely Miss Chin here talking, so you can big up anybody and say anything else you want to say.
I just want to say thank you to my many customers over the years. We appreciate you coming and we hope you keep on coming.
Alright people, so on the ear, go enjoy the show. Blacker Top 20 Countdown and the mothers. Boom, man. Now people, me don't want to enjoy the interview them. Now them turn up loud and if you tell it now. And now Sunstorm should bring down the countdown wicked. So guess what? We are going to a commercial break and when we come back, the #1 video in our country. Boom, we soon come. No. Forever Young, turn up loud. Straight. Alright, bam.
Absolute Distributors. We stock parts for most brands, from Whirlpool to Blackpoint, Frigidaire, Marby, just to name a few. Parts are available for each above mentioned washing machines, stoves, refrigerators, auto air condition, pressure cooker parts, and blender parts. Our locations are Shop 24 St. Andrews Plaza, Red Hills Road, Shop 7 Obney Plaza, Maypen, and Shop number 9 Big Buy Plaza, Portmore. Absolute Distributors. We let it work. We deliver happiness.
Bargain International Hardware.
We have things for construction, sand, gravel, steel, cement. We have paints. We have paintbrush, roller sets, zinc nail, lumber, zinc, doors.
Let me say you can't get anything for the house where I leak. You know the toilet get problem regular. You do the thing there. Bargain International Hardware.
Spread the word, tell your friends, I'm Eloquence. You know I'm Eloquence represent for Blacker Top 20 Countdown. Baddest thing on TV, remember that. Links TV, up. Starismatic.
Today, I would like to introduce you to Palms Pharmacy. Palms Pharmacy is located at 58 Young Street inside Spanish Town. Here at Palms Pharmacy, there's quite a wide cross-section of cosmetic products. Here's scalp conditioner, Dunsheen Carson products, acne treatment, there's Scrabble, greeting cards. Palms Pharmacy is also a Bill Express agent, free blood pressure checks, and also does delivery.
I can tell you big things about Torpedo. Torpedo to the world. Torpedo done great things to me. They make my business big up each time I go to them.
Torpedo help me get my car.
Everyone can benefit from Torpedo small loan.
Torpedo for loan for everybody.
Just have 4 reference, TRN, ID, get some picture, everything. Just call them people. Just see the number though.
Thank you, Jesus. Yes. Yes.
It helped me to improve my business, and I am inviting everyone to Torpedo Small Business Store.
We are back, yes, and it's time for the #1 video, numero uno. We are still at Forever Young Sports Bar, 48 West Street, where the ambience is nice, the breeze nice, the bar nice, everything just nice. I don't know, I feel excited. I take me that far anyway. Back to the countdown, #1. I get a little prips for say who the #1 is. So you see him already, you know. He might wear a little orange shirt and a white pants and I go on the most. So you have to know so the #1 went to Blacker and Benji. Good. Well, no, don't rush me. I'm going to tell you now. Blacker and Benji. Good. But we want to see the video. We want to see the video body. Because good. Good mean you gotta look good, you gotta talk good, you gotta be good, you have to be a good girl. Blacker and Benji, good. Watch this.
Benji,
when you deal with Blacker,
some of them girls you talk about you so nice and them not no price.
No for them I talk about them, turn up. When you check it out them, turn up.
Yeah, the big people part in the club too, you know. Yeah, you know the big people part, I know where you're going. Let's watch how Shagga deal with it. Deal with it, baby. Don't stop, do your thing, man. People, say me I tell you, Forever Young Sports Bar, 48 West Street, upstairs, everything they have to enjoy themselves. You see the exotic part, the girl them turn up, mad, boom, me gone.